I know how you are when you see that sweet owl.
Why don't you tell Gogo a story?
Okay. Imagine, Mama walks into the engine shop and then finds herself looking at rows of sweets. Not sure which one to pick, but Peter Steph the toy,
The springbok.
says, yeah, try these ones.
And then she says, sure, Coco.
As she was going to the cafe to grab a coffee,
And then boom.
Lucania Arm and Villanaroo are also getting coffee.
Oh,
And then she says, wrong driver ahead for you too, huh? And they say, you have no idea. And then as she was going to pay, she sees Damien Willemse holding a pie combo because, I'm hungry. Then she says, I'll have 4, please.
you know, so many pies.
Oh, hey, Mom.
A tall man said you'd like these ones.